Check a couple things. Check to see if we got bolts right there. We got plenty of power there.
Looks like it got a little
hot there. Socket probably needs to be replaced. Long. It's overheat fuse. This vent is too long. Not enough air in this room. Okay, soft porn. This is YouTube. YouTube's gone dirty now.
This trick is real.
So
Ordinary Americans over 40 are using it to harden their members in minutes.
This is like, yeah, right. She's really saying that. No, she's making cake. Betty Crocker's cake mix, right? But they
I'll
just.
show you how it works in a spicy, uncensored video. Just click Learn More now.
Yeah, this is what YouTube's coming down to.
The right way to do this at home today.
Selling you this crap, right?
Your woman will feel the difference after just one day of practice. One warning, I'm only streaming this today just for the sharp ones.
Yeah.
So click the button below and check it out. Your girlfriend will thank you. Now.